First of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the SS course Exp19 SS Chapter 1 Cap Loan Management 1.1. This is the first assignment of SS grader project. I have completed this course for one of my students. If you want me to do this complete course or do this assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I am professional. I can help you out in all the my IT lab courses of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SS, Math, Stat, Business Math, Stat, Economics, Finance, Writing, Technical Writing, etc. All kind of courses. Before starting this assignment, first of all, we are going to read the project description. Let me read it out for you. First, I am going to highlight it for you. In the following project, you will open a database containing the records of small loans from a leading firm. Work with a form in which you will store loan officer information, add records and sort tables. You add record from using the following form and print a report. You will apply a filter by selection to a query and then filter by from a table and solve the result in the following. So first of all, you have to download this file, as I have already downloaded. Student last name will be at the start of this assignment. Next, we will move to step number 2. This is the first step. Let me highlight it for you. In step number 2, it is saying, wait a minute. In step number 2, it is saying you update a table to contain the data of a loan officer so that each of the loan processed can be associated with a staff members. Open the loan officer table in datasheet view. Apply the following records to the loan officer tables: first name, last name, email address, phone, title, extension, and at the end you have to close the table. Open the loan officer tables. So here is the loan officer table. As I double click on it, this will be open. Next, we have to add this record. It is saying first name, so here I am just going to copy this name and here in the first cell, first name, paste it. Similarly, last name, copy it, and here I am going to paste it. Email address, copy it, and here we are going to paste it. Similarly, phone extension, copy it, and here we are going to paste it, and in the title we are going to copy this loan officer, copy it, and here we are going to paste it. So this is our first record has been added to it. Next, we are going to add the second record. Similarly, we are just going to copy it like we did in the first one. Next is stain. I am using the shortcut key of Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, so work it a little bit faster. Ctrl+V. Similarly, copy it, paste it, phone extension, here just paste it, and title, copy it and paste it. Similarly, third record, copy it. You can just Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, or you can copy it, and paste it. Now email, copy paste, phone extension, and title is loan officer. We're going to copy it and paste it. Similarly, for the fourth one, we are just going to copy it and we are just going to paste it here. This has been done, and here we are just going to copy, paste phone extension. We are just going to copy it and paste it, and at the end title loan officer. In the fifth, we're going to copy it, paste it, paste it, next is loan officer. Just going to copy it and paste it, and at the end last record we're just going to copy it, Control C and Control V, and paste it. Email, copy it, Control V, paste it. Record, copy it and paste it. And loan officers, managing loan officer, copy it and paste it. So we have done with this. Next it is saying close the table. So here I am just going to click on this cross, so it is closed now. Next we will move to step number 3. It is saying you will now add the information to the loan table, so most recent. So this is loan table. We are just going to add this information. Officer ID 5. So here is the officer ID 5. Next one is member ID 15. Member ID 15. Simply you will choose Control C and Control V, and loan amount, term 36 month. This has been done, and interest rate it should be 15.4. so here we are going to add a full stop, and next is the payment. Payment is 244, and grade D. Issue date and status, that is this one. Simply we will use just copy and paste. Next we will move to step number 4. In step number 4 it is saying you would prefer for a loan data be presented in order of issue date with the most recent loan listed first. Sort the record in loans table by issue date field in descending order. Issue date, this is issue date, so here we are just going to sort is descending order. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 5. In step number 5 next it is saying save and close the table. So here we will just right click on it, save, and then close it. Next we will move to step number 5. In step number 5 it is saying next you will use the maintain member form to add another loan for the loan that was processed for one of the form member. Open the maintain member forms in the record 3. Add the following to the loan. So here maintain member. Next it is saying in the record 3. So this is first, second, and third one. Baron Anderson. Add the new in the subform. So here we are just going to simply copy this officer ID. This is officer ID. We are just added it, loan amount, copy it, paste it, and terms 36 month, interest rate 4.35, 35 it should be 4.35, and payment is 300.45. This is done. Next is the category B. This is done. And issue date and loan status. So this is issue date and loan status is fully paid. So this has been done now. So we have completed step number 5. Next we will move to step number 6. This assignment is consist of 11 points, but before starting step number 6, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. In the step number 6, it is saying when you need to navigate to a record quickly without a large amount of clicks your mouse, you can search a specific information in the search field of the navigation bar at the bottom of the window. In this case, you are interested in adjusting information for the author with the member ID of 16. Use the navigation bar to search member ID 16. So here member ID, so here we will go to home tab, find, and the 14. So here member ID, here we are going to search 14, sorry 15, it should be 14. As you can see, 14 is selected, and then edit the subform to add the interest rate 15.4. Here it should be interest rate should be 12.54. member ID should be 16. I have it should be 16. And next it is saying subform that the interest rate is 12.54. so this should be 12.54. so here 12.54. so this is done. We will press OK. And next it is saying for the loan officer ID 47. So loan officer ID is 47. This has been changed. And next it is saying close the maintain. So here we are just going to right click, save, and then close it. Next we will move to step number 7. In step number 7, it is saying reports are used to neatly organize table data or query result into a document for a presentation to the core worker and or the supervisor. In this case you are interested in confirming that the report you created based on the loan officers and members query is reflecting the appropriate information before sending it to the supervisor. Open loan officers and loan management reports. So here we have to open this report. This report has been opened. Check that the fully or status with view the report in print preview. So here we will just click, this is the print preview, we will click here. And next it is saying open the loan officer's query. So this query has been opened. Sort the loan officers in ascending order. So these are the loan officers. We will just click on here and click ascending order. Next we will move to step number 8. In step number 8, it is saying you are interested in quickly filtering the data in the loans officers and members query based on the loan officers. Filtering by selections allows you to select your filtering criteria and applying it to the data. In the case you would like to see the loan officer management John Pedman's use filter by selection to show only the loans managed by the loan officers whose name is John Badman. So here use filter by selection. So here in the advanced we will go to here, we will go select the John Badman, and so here we will just select it, and on the home tab in the sort and filtering selection we will select equal John Badman. So this will show it. Next, it is saying sorting allow you to display data in the various way, including alphabetical, in ascending order, descending order, near toast. You want to display the query. Sort the query in loan status in alphabetical order. So here is the loan status. We will just click it and sort is ascendingly. Save and close the query. So we are going to save and then click here, so it will save and close the query. Next, we will move to step number 10. In 10, it is saying now you are interested in the quickly filtering the data in the loans table based on two different fields. Filtering by forms allow you to enter your filtering criteria into a form, and then it is applied to the data. Open the loans tables. Use filter by form to create a filter that will identify all loan with the terms of 36 months that has also interest rate less than 11%. Apply filter and preview the filter table. So here we are just going to close it and select the filter, and use here we are going to advance filter by form, and here we are going to select term should be 36 month, and next interest rate should be less than 11. Interest rate here we are going to less than 0.11. so these both condition has been done. Next, we will just toggle filter. As you can see that these all have been displayed. So we are apply the filter, and we are just going to save and close it. Next is the last step, close all the database object and submit it. So this assignment is done now. You can submit it, and this is the first complete assignment of this course. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.